everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today my name is Shelley-ann Henry, and first, before I go any further, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and don't forget to drop me a comment down below right there. Yeah, okay. So I know I've been away for a while and I haven't been doing much video, but I'm gonna do also a video on that, why I've been away. So before, I don't want to talk too long, I want to get straight in today's video. As you know, I do videos on returning home, living back in Jamaica, living abroad, and returning back to JA, where of course is the land of our birth. Yeah. So today is a kind of pro and con video. So one of the things is, as I was thinking, I thought I need to share this with my YouTube family. So for those of you who are thinking about returning home, you know, some of the things that you need to put into place as you return home. Now, one of the things is that you really need to consider before you come home is, of course, things like if you take sick. And I say that to say we're living in a time now where sickness is all around. You know, we're in a pandemic and all of that. People are suffering with different kind of illnesses, and you have to take in consideration, say, wait, when we go to Jamaica and if this happen, how may I go get this done? So I am going to share a quick story with you, something that is just annoying me, and I just said, let me just do a video on that. So from Friday, my husband been complaining about his eyes, that his eyes feel a bit tired. So we just thought that he was tired because baby had us up, you know, in the nights. And so we just thought it was tired. Didn't think much of it. Yesterday, as you know, I'm a Seventh-day Adventist. We went to church for the first time over a year and something. Went to church and we got ready, went out to church and all of that. And as soon as we went into church and sit down, he said to me, babe, I'm not seeing good, you know, I'm seeing doubles. And I said to him, do you want us to go off to see the optician? And at first he was a bit hesitant, but then I persuaded him and called home, and my mother-in-law booked an appointment to go and see her optician. Father-in-law came and got us and we went. Optician saw him immediately and then send him off to a radiologist, which is just down the road from the optician. We went in, showed them the referral letter. When I didn't go in with him, my husband and my father-in-law did. I stayed in the car with the baby, and they said that one, they could not give him an appointment then, they could not see him then, they have to book it by appointment. Come on, a radiologist, you know, say this is something serious, you need to do it, right? They have to go by appointment. Anyways, then they say the optician wanted the result right then and there, then the same day or by Monday. And they said, well, we're not going to be able to give him the result by Monday. So what we do, we went back to the optician, and the optician said, okay, there is only two other choices, Kingston or St. Ann. Come on now. This is, so what, let me rewind. When my husband went to the optician, he did a test on the eyes, and the eyes were fine. The pressure in the eyes are okay, everything is good. So then he said to my husband, did you have an injury, have you injured your head lately? And then my husband recalled that 2 weeks ago he bumped his head. He really had a big bump in his head. He bumped his head, and he said, yes, I bumped my head 2 weeks ago. And he said, well, that could be the cause because there's nothing going on with the eyes. So we need to go to the radiologist so that they will do an MRI to see what's going on the brain, because he said whatever is going on with the eyes is a brain thing. So you know, this is serious, this is important, and they're saying they can't do it without an appointment. So anyway, we rushed back to the radiologist, and the radiologist said, okay, there's only two other options, Kingston or St. Ann. And so we came home and we scanned the referral letter, send it off to Kingston, and said, you have to do all of this yourself, you know. And then we have to wait on Kingston or St. Ann to get back to us. Finally, St. Ann get back to us and say they could give us an appointment for Monday, which is going to be tomorrow. So I'm doing this video on Sunday. And so we're going to have to leave where we are early Monday morning to get there. And these are one of the things I sit down and I think, and I said, you know, I love Jamaica, but I don't know if I want to stay here. And these are some of the things, because your health is so important. It's so important. What about if you're not driving? And not only that, my husband's eyes are not well, and I wouldn't drive that distance, even though I'm not my license. But I'm getting it. I'm doing my lessons, but I wouldn't drive that far. So what do we do in an instant like this? I mean, the two hospitals in where we live, there is no radiologist, nothing. And so now we have to go all the way to St. Ann. That's going to cost us an arm and a leg. And also, to get a scan done, a MRI done, that's up to 70 to 80,000 Jamaican dollars. That's just this, because when we go there tomorrow, we don't know what else is needed, so it might cost more, I don't know. Then we're gonna have to pay somebody to take us there. That in itself is 15,000. So those are some of the things that you have to think about before you come home to live. You have to sit down and make sure. This is why I always say, before you come home to live, make sure you have a plan, whether you have a business that you're going to do here or you're retiring, so you know you have your little savings. But by the time you come here, your little savings are going to go, so you're going to need to make sure so you have something that come in. So that's another thing you have to think about before you move home. So that kind of annoy me, because at the end of the day, this is serious. So my husband we have to just go through and pray and hope that he will be okay until Monday. So I just decided I want to do this video to share with my YouTube family. My husband is holding the camera and I can see his poor hand go like this. So I'm not gonna stay with him long. I just wanted to do that video just to give you an insight as to what's been going on with us here in Jamaica. And yeah, I'm kind of in a two opinion. Jamaica, I'm kind of in a two opinion, because at the end of the day, I kind of want to know, say, if something should go wrong with my husband and something has gone wrong, I have access to the things that we need, the medical things that we need. And also I have a son. I want to know that I can take him to the hospital and be seen to and get the necessary tests, more than we have to be traveling all over Jamaica. So imagine if you have a serious condition, maybe a bleeding on the brain, God forbid, by the time you get to send our Kingston, you don't know what can happen. So those are some of the things. So again, you have to take in consideration where you're living, where you're going to live. And then again, it doesn't even matter, because it's all about Jamaica is kind of, you know, everything is by appointment. And for them appointment, I know with the COVID right now, everywhere in the world probably facing the same thing, but at least if you're overseas, you can put on your foot and say, no, my husband needs to be seen to, and you will get somebody, maybe an ambulance crew or whatever, will come out and see him, whatever it may be. So you have to take in consideration all those things before you move home. Really sit down, because your health is your wealth. Without it, that's poor as a pauper. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I'm gonna stay very long with you. I have a vlog coming up. Last Sunday we went out. We had a great day. It was my husband's birthday, and we went for a boat ride, and then we went to a lovely restaurant. I didn't do the restaurant vlog, it was just too much, too hustling. So I just did a little bit on the boat ride. You're not gonna see my face in it, but you'll see the other crews that were with me. So please don't forget to just stay with your girl, bear with me. I'm trying to get better. I was just saying to my husband, listen, put in your time and just help me grow my YouTube channel now. So anyway, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to hit that notification bell, don't forget to drop me a comment down below, and don't forget to walk in faith, and don't forget we still have COVID, and this is our new norm. So don't forget to sanitize, wear your mask, and for those who, you know, just take care of yourself, whether you're vaccinated or unvaccinated. Hey, it doesn't matter, it's home for everybody. So anyway, God bless, stay sweet, and till next time, bye.